Everyone, welcome back to TekkinLife, and today we will be learning of a math concept known as BEDMAS, or order of operations. So BEDMAS is actually an acronym, and B stands for brackets, the E stands for exponents, the D stands for division, the M stands for multiplication, the A stands for addition, and the S stands for subtraction. Now basically, from top to bottom, this is the order that you are supposed to do operations in when there are multiple different operations in a full expression or equation. Now you have to keep in mind that brackets come first, exponents come second, but when it comes to division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, the division and multiplication are supposed to be done in the order that they come in, and the addition and subtraction are also the same in the order that they come in. So these two and these two are supposed to be done in the order that they come in. Now, what does this actually mean? Now, here's a very basic example of BEDMAS. Now, in this expression right here, 4 times 5 plus 6 divided by 2, what operation would you do first? Well, you would want to do the multiplication first. Now, that might be a little confusing to you, as BEDMAS says D comes before M, division comes before multiplication. However, you have to know what we mentioned earlier, that division and multiplication are done in the order that they come in. So when you read the expression from left to right, whatever comes first, whether it's division or multiplication, that is the one you do first between the two. And the same goes for addition and subtraction if we also had that. So in this case, we're going to start with the multiplication. Now, 4 times 5, which we all know, is 20. So we're going to take the 20, put it right here, and then we're going to carry down everything else that we have not done yet. Plus 6 divided by 2. Next, now we have to look at BEDMAS once again. We have to look at what operation do we need to do next. Now we see we have addition with this plus sign, and we have division with this slash or division sign. So, according to BEDMAS, we would have to do division next, because division comes before addition. In that case, we're going to leave the 20 as it is, and we're only going to do the two numbers that are involved in the division. So we go 20 plus, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And finally, we only have one operation left. So now we don't really need to follow BEDMAS, as these are our last operation that we have to finish. Finally, we can just combine these two numbers, 20 plus 3, which gives you a final answer of 23. Now here is our second example. This example includes all of the operations in BEDMAS, so we're going to have to go step by step. Now let's look through BEDMAS and see what we have to do in our expression. Let's start with brackets. Are there any brackets in this expression? Well, right here we can see that there is. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the equal sign and carry down everything that we have not completed yet. 8 plus 4 divided by 2 times 3 minus, and now in brackets we have 2 plus 2. After evaluating in these brackets, we will be only left with one number. Therefore, we do not need to add brackets once again. Since it's only going to be one number, you can eliminate it. So 2 plus 2 is 4, which you're going to put right here. And you're going to keep the squared right here at the top, which is counted as an exponent if you don't already know. Next, we have to look through our other operations. What do we have next? Brackets are done. We have no brackets left. Exponents. Now we can see, like I just mentioned, there is an exponent right here. 4 squared, 4 to the power of 2. Again, we're going to carry down everything else that we have not done yet, divided by 2 times 3 minus, and now we can do this. 4 squared is simply 4 times 4, and 4 times 4, as we know, is 16. So we evaluate that and put that right there. Now let's look at our other operations. Brackets are done, exponents are done, and now we have division and multiplication. Now the reason I mentioned both is because, again, they're supposed to be done in the order that they come in. So let's see which operation comes first, division or multiplication. We have no division or multiplication here up till here. This is the first place where we see division. Multiplication comes after, so in that case, we're going to do the division first. We're going to do 8 plus, and since the next number is involved in the division, we're not going to touch that yet. We're going to actually evaluate it. So 8 plus 4 divided by 2. We have to do 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And then we just carry down everything else. Times 3 minus 16. Now again, look through your operations, look through your BEDMAS list, and see which is the next operation to do. Well, 8 plus 2 times 3. We see that there's multiplication here. We're done with brackets, we're done with exponents, we're done with division, and now the only thing left is multiplication and the final two ones, addition and subtraction. So we're going to once again carry down the 8, put the plus, and we do 2 times 3, which is 6. Again, carry down the 16, and now we just have two operations left. Now our final step is just doing 8 plus 6 minus 16. Now this could also be done in one step, but I'm going to break it down just to make it a little easier to see. Now we know addition and subtraction are done in the order that they come in, so that means addition would be first since it comes on the left the first. So 8 plus 6 is 14, and now we just carry down the 16. Finally, we have one little expression which we can evaluate to get -2. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Thank you once again, and I'll see you next time.